Fasting and its healing properties. Fasting is a method of using periods of time without food to activate the body's own healing mechanisms, supporting the treatment and prevention of many diseases. Below is a detailed guide based on scientific research on how to fast safely, the benefits, the diseases it can help, and important notes. Fasting and the healing mechanism. Fasting activates biological processes that help the body recover. Autophagy, recycle damaged cells, remove toxins, promote regeneration. Reduce inflammation, reduce cytokines and inflammatory markers, CRP, support chronic inflammation. Balance hormones, regulate insulin, increase growth hormone, improve metabolism. Rest the digestive system, reduce pressure on the stomach and liver, support recovery. Types of fasting to support healing. Depending on your health status and goals, you can choose the following methods. 1. Intermittent fasting. F. 16-8. Eat within 8 hours, fast for 16 hours. Each. Eat from 10 a.m. 6 p.m., fast until the next morning. 5-2. Eat normally for 5 days, limit 500 to 600 calories, 2 days, week. Benefits. Improve insulin sensitivity, lose weight, support type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease. 2. Fasting. 1 meal a day, OMAD. Eat 1 meal within 1 to 2 hours, fast for 22 to 23 hours. Benefits. Increase autophagy, support obesity, arthritis. 3. Extended fasting. Fast for 24-72 hours, drink only water, calorie-free tea, or electrolyte water. Benefits. Support autoimmune diseases, lupus, arthritis, cell regeneration. Note: medical supervision required. 4. Water fasting. Drink only water for 24-72 hours. Benefits. Detoxification, digestive support, gastric ulcers, IBS. Note: for experienced people only. 5. Fasting mimicking diet, FMD. Eat 800-1000 calories day, low carb, low protein, high healthy fat for 5 days. Benefits. Support cancer, autoimmune diseases, anti-aging. Medical benefits. Fasting supports many diseases, with evidence from research. Metabolic diseases, type 2 diabetes, obesity, high blood lipids, reduce insulin, burn fat. Chronic inflammation, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, colitis, reduce cytokines. Cardiovascular, high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, improve blood lipids. Neurological, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, increase BDNF, protect neurons. Digestion, gastric ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, intestinal mucosal rest. Cancer, increases the effectiveness of chemotherapy, but caution is needed because studies on mice show the risk of cancer if re-ingested incorrectly. MIT study, 2024. Immunity, regenerate immune cells, reduce infections. Instructions for safe fasting. Preparation. Choose a method. Beginners should start with 16-8, easy to do and low risk. Gradually reduce food. Before fasting for a long time, reduce carbs, sugar, caffeine for 2 to 3 days to let the body adapt. Consult a doctor, especially if you have a medical condition, diabetes, low blood pressure, pregnancy. While fasting, you should drink enough water, 2 to 3 liters a day, add a little sea salt or mineral water to supplement electrolytes. Supplement electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, sodium, through electrolyte powder if fasting 24 hours. Rest. Avoid strenuous exercise, prioritize light walking, yoga, or meditation. Monitor your body. Stop immediately if you feel dizzy, severely tired, or have a persistent headache. Ending the fast should be Eat lightly. Start with vegetable soup, juice, fruit, bananas, apples. Avoid greasy foods or eating a lot. Gradually increase the amount of food. Return to normal diet in 1-2 days to avoid digestive shock. Listen to your body. Adjust if you are bloated, have indigestion. Specific instructions for some diseases. Here are ways to apply fasting for specific diseases based on research. 1. Type 2 diabetes. Method: intermittent fasting, 16-8 or 5-2, combined with a low-carb diet when breaking the fast. Benefits: reduce blood sugar, increase insulin sensitivity. Healthline 2023. Note: monitor blood sugar regularly. Consult your doctor if using insulin. 2. Rheumatoid arthritis. Method: mock fasting, FMD, or long-term fasting, 24-48 hours, under medical supervision. Benefits: reduce inflammation, improve pain, PubMed, 2013. Note: supplement electrolytes, break fast with anti-inflammatory foods, fish, green vegetables. 3. High blood pressure. Method: 16-8, intermittent fasting, combined with DASH diet, rich in vegetables, low in salt. Benefits: reduce blood pressure, improve blood lipids, Hopkins medicine. Note: monitor blood pressure, avoid dehydration. 4. Autoimmune diseases, lupus, multiple sclerosis. Method: mock fasting or 24-48 hour water fasting. Benefits: reduce inflammatory cytokines, improve gut bacteria. Science Direct, 2023. Note: medical supervision is required. Avoid fasting for too long. 5. Cancer support. Method: mock fasting or short-term water fasting, 24-48 hours before chemotherapy. Benefits: increase chemotherapy effectiveness, protect healthy cells. Healthline, 2023. Note: need specialist guidance. Avoid fasting if malnourished. Important note: not suitable for children, pregnant, breastfeeding women, people with malnutrition, eating disorders, or serious illnesses, kidney failure, liver. Side effects: hunger, fatigue, headache, difficulty sleeping for the first few days. Stop if symptoms are severe. Cancer risk. Research on mice shows that fasting can increase the risk of cancer if eating again is not done properly. MIT study 2024. Break the fast gently, prioritize healthy foods. Medical supervision. Fasting, 24 hours, or having a medical condition that requires medical monitoring. Combine with lifestyle, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, stress management to optimize effectiveness. Fasting is a potential tool to support the treatment of diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure, autoimmune diseases, and cancer by activating autophagy, reducing inflammation, and improving metabolism. Start with 16-8 intermittent fasting, do it safely, and consult your doctor if you have a medical condition or fast for a long time. Combine with a healthy lifestyle, nutrition, exercise, sleep to optimize effectiveness. Thank you for watching the video.